If you're seeing an error message like, "Sorry, you cannot access YouTube Studio with your mobile browser," when trying to use the YouTube app from your Tesla's media menu, here's a fix that worked for me. Background. This issue started after I tried accessing Google Maps through the Tesla's built-in browser. I had signed into my Google account to access saved locations, but it didn't work as expected. I later subscribed to Tesla's premium connectivity, $99 a year, and started using Tesla's native navigation. However, this initial Google sign-in via the browser seems to have confused the system, preventing proper access to the YouTube app. Many tutorials online were either outdated or led to unhelpful third-party solutions, so I'm sharing what actually worked for me. Steps to fix. Sign out from Tesla browser. On your Tesla screen, open the browser, go to google.com, click the Google profile icon in the top right corner, and sign out of your account. Manage your devices from another device. On a phone or laptop, go to google.com and sign in. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down to your devices. Look for any sessions devices that may represent your Tesla, likely labeled as Android or unknown. Select and sign out from any suspicious sessions. Optional. Reboot your Tesla. If you're still having trouble, try rebooting your Tesla by holding down both scroll buttons on the steering wheel until the screen restarts. This process helped me regain full YouTube access on my 2024 Tesla Model 3. Hope it helps you too!